Today, take a look at the VEVOR Screen Gazebo. So that does come with a pouch, so that is excellent. Nice thick zipper on that guy as well. Interesting, so it looks like it's pretty much already ready to go. We got our instructions. That says we're going to spread it out, and then there's going to be a little pull tab right there, so we just pull that out and that will expand the wall. And then we have this cover, and that has a Velcro on it, so that will just go around the whole thing in the event that we want more than just a screen. So it kind of unfolds itself. All we got to do is grab the inside and it just pops open. So super easy to set up. Like I was expecting to have to grab the rods and stick them into little pouches in the bottom, but it's nothing like that. You just grab the thing, pull it straight out, and it pops itself open. So I'm 6'3". I can actually stand up in this thing almost all the way to the corner too before I can actually hit my head. We got a little hook on the top, so if we want to hang some kind of a lantern or something like that, we can do that. There is no floor to it, but there is little tabs on the bottom, so we can stake that to the ground from the inside if we want to, or we can flip that out and we can stake it on the outside. The zipper on here does have tabs on the inside and the outside, and I kind of like how the top is a white diffused material, so you're actually still getting some sun in here, so if you just want to spend time outside but you won't have to worry about the bugs, this is going to be excellent for that. So it is not a gigantic thing. It's basically going to be for a small group of people, but I think you could fit a small couch in there if you really wanted to. And this is kind of cool. It actually came with a couple of rods. So what that means is in the event that your uncle comes over here and breaks one of these things, you actually got spares. That's very nice. It also came with some rope and some stakes. So in the event that you want to put this thing into the ground, make sure it's not going to blow away, we got everything we need for that. And then for the cover, there's a bunch of pieces of Velcro on the outside. So in the event you want a little bit extra privacy, you can attach this guy as well. That's even got a little window for that as well. And it actually looks like these came in separate walls. So what that means is if the sun is beating down on this side and you want to kind of block that off a little bit, but you still want to be able to see out the other sides, you can just attach these things as needed. So that's very cool. So yeah, overall, if you're looking for a little pop-up gazebo, that is going to be an excellent choice.